Hi, my name is Mandy Swafford, and I'm the product manager for Pemko's threshold and weather stripping product lines, as well as some accessories like our PDL. Today, we're going to go over why it's so important to position the PDL properly on the frame. We don't want to have situations in hotels where lockouts occur where people can't get back into their rooms after they leave. So I want to go through the importance of positioning on the frame. So here we have two PDLs. You can see the top PDL is mounted just slightly off from the frame, and the bottom PDL is mounted right directly onto the frame. So the top PDL is showing improper installation, while the bottom PDL is showing proper installation. So we can go through cycling these PDLs. So I'll engage the latches, and we'll open the door. Okay, the PDLs work this way. So we can open the door, engage the latches, and simulate somebody leaving their hotel room to go get ice and intending for the latches to be used to keep the door from closing completely and the lock from latching. That is a common use for these flip guards, but these PDLs don't work that way. So let me show you. So we close the door, and you can see the bottom PDL completely engages against the base of the mechanism. The top PDL, the improperly mounted PDL, does not. You can see here that the latch is slightly away from the body, but it's working towards being behind the door. So things like vibration in the hallway, the maid's cart, the housekeeper's cart going down the hallway, or kids running down the hallway, or other doors slamming, could move this PDL slightly behind the door while nobody is in the room. This bottom PDL has hit its detent position, meaning there's a little home position at the base and at the completely open position. This one's hit its home position at the closed location. So it will not rattle, it will not open back up. But if we have this situation where the improperly installed PDL does not hit its home position, that latch is free to move around. So when we go to open the door, you can see the door catches it and pulls it into the fully engaged position, causing a lockout situation. In this instance, we would need the facilities manager to have a tool to override it, like our PDL tool, which we do have available for sale as well. This will help mitigate lockouts. It'll help close the latch without having to damage the door or the frame. So you can see there that home position is really, really important. And if the PDL is mounted even just slightly off from the frame, then allowing the door to close the latch will not create that full engagement with that closed detent position. For that reason, we do include a Mylar label with every single one of our PDLs. The red verbiage at the bottom does state to put this label at the edge of the frame on the door side in order to properly locate the holes. So you can see there's templated pre-drill locations. So you would put this on the frame at the edge of the frame, drill the pilot holes, and then your three holes would be properly located on the frame. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, or let me know what additional videos you want or additional questions you have, and we could make those into a video at a later time.